We're up here in Byron. About to hit some cheeky little...
Did you know I made out with a girl last night?
Oh, this? Yeah, I was just paintballing.
Pools. I don't know how they're gonna be. Hopefully they're good. After this, we're going to go stay at Coffs Harbour for 4 days. So I'm gonna get to ride the MTB trails there. So it should be good. Waterfalls. Lost this big and then found it. Arm through it and then it went. But we got you back. Show you where you were. Alright, the water's so nice here.
I'm still coming down. You're still locked in all these walls. I'm way too tired to want it all. I'm still coming down. You're still coming round.
I got the MTB trail. Sorry about it. They're hating on the vlog. Feet to the foot. Like, how is this a walkway? Proper FEQDH. Oh my god. We're staying in this camp place called Sawmill. Got the MTB. There's some like little BMX tracks up there. I'll get some little POV clips for it. And then you should probably see me at the actual mountain bike track. Oh, this is so hard. These jumps, so hard to get seat for. So fun. So not fun. Bro, so hard to clean. You know, yesterday I was getting like 1 foot, 1 handed and shit. So crazy, but today is not my day. Today's good. Took the crazy hand off. I have to try T-bog.
Yeah?
Dropping out, hopping out, straight out the casket. Pop like it, drop it like here we.
Fat cunt.
Ask me more on my course if you crazy, I'm bashing. Bombs is a run, I game head with a passion. When did it start? I think I know. The second I.
Brother.
It's a bit wet, but we'll make do. It doesn't seem like there's any trails, but I don't know, I'll just have to find them, I guess, and get this whole ass out.
Why?
Yeah, vlogger. What if I eat it and slap my neck and I'm paralyzed? In the fridge.
Word. Word.
Oh, I hate this helmet. It looks silly, but all good. We got the Commensal Beast here, and there's this blue trail. I don't know where we're going, but I think this blue trail leads to like a double black or a single black. I don't know, better than a blue. So, gonna go down this thing. Looks fully hectic, bro. I might go over the bars. Little jump at the start. Shit, let's have a look at this. So we got a lip or a drop. We might have to send the lip. I don't know. We'll figure this out together. Alright, let's get into it. Oh, you need. Alright. We're off into the wilderness. Oh shit. Oh no, fuck that. We might have to send the lip. I don't know what's up ahead, so I'm gonna have to be a bit careful. This place is beautiful, but fuck, it's blind and no maintenance. Oh, already pedaling. Not stoked on that. You're kidding. Already is not my favourite place. Let's try and get some actual speed going here. Uphill again.
Yo, man, them. You're pissing me off, you know. You're just ruining it.
Oh, what? We have a burn. Oh shit. This might be some double black shit. And I know these trails, any trail with a jump is instantly a double black. See, the problem with these trails is that they always go down and up. It's never just one. So it's kind of gay. Ah. Yeah, that was Scocks. I reckon we hit that every time. Because now we're into this fucking pedally shit again. There's a whole ass tree. I don't even know what I'm riding. I'm just riding fucking bullshit. Where do I go? Yeah, you can see it. We are right there. So I think it would make sense for this to be double black. But then this is up pedally and shit. So scary. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what I should be expecting. Because I've never ridden this shit. I'm going blind as a bat. I don't know. Man, I don't know how I'm getting across here. Just gonna have to bunny hop this hole. Just crazy. Damn. What a great place. Let's get a nice little steep ass climb there. Motherfucking slippery ass. Let's give it a go. Woo! Yeah, it's actually pretty fun. I'm just trying to not get whipped in the fucking face. Because believe it or not, it's not very fun. Oh, handlebars tapped. Oh my god. I don't know if you saw that. That was a whole ass branch. Alrighty, got this little skinny here. That's not really skinny. Oh shit. You know, at least I got over the river. We could give it another go because that was kind of embarrassing. Let's try this hole again. Easy. Easy. Holy shit. Oh, fucker. It's like proper rock climb. Marcus, if you're for some reason watching this, I'm doing this for you, mate. Fucking shit, cunt. Oh, that's not high enough, eh? Because this. Whew. That's nice. Shit, bro. Alright. I'ma just jump first. I got knocked in the face by you guys. Because my shit is not tight enough. I'm going to the smaller one. And then see how I feel about the little one. Scary. I'll flip it.
Oh my god.
Hoorah. Let's hit that again. Tell my sister to film. I gotta hold this bitch. It's so awkward, man. I don't know if you can. Alright, this is fun. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my Coffs Harbour trip with the family. It was pretty fun. Went to some rock pools, obviously, and then went to Sawmill. Did not mean to go there. Was meant to go to a some downhill place. It was the downhill, the SEQDH. One of the races, like the second race, I think, was there. But it was like 40 minutes out of the way and my mum was like, nah. So, couldn't go to that one, so I just decided to go to the Narang trails for Coffs, and they weren't actually that bad, they were pretty fun. Yeah, I got some good little cinematics. It's like this. Damn, this shit's big. It was a bit of a long one this time, just because I had so many clips to work with, and you know, I had to use it all, had to use all my material. Please subscribe, trying to get to 300 by the end of the month. By the end of the month, so by the end of February, you're gonna try and get to 300 subscribers. Awkward as fuck, dude. Usually getting like 600, 400 views, and with this statistic right here, it shows that most of you aren't even subscribed, bro. I reckon you could help that number out and get that subscribe number more to like a 90%. Have a good one. Rad, dude.